We stayed at our Shaefer Campground, which is managed by the Army Corps of Engineers. It's right on the border of Alabama and Georgia, right in the middle of the state. We had a double-sized campsite, lots of room, plenty of space for truck and all our toys. It's a beautiful campground and we had great view and sunsets. We really enjoy this campground. We will be back. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. When you're driving down Route 29, you're going to see just a small sign that'll indicate that the park is on your left. The entrance to the park has like a big granite sign there, and it says West Point Lake, and the R. Shaefer Herd Park portion of it is just a little small square, so keep your eye out for it. As you come down there, you'll see another sign that'll tell you you're going to have to make a right-hand turn to get into the park. Once you make that turn and you come down the road, then you will come to the guard shack at the park where you will stop and get your paperwork. Once you get your paperwork, if you need to drop your toad, you can go off to the right-hand side, and they have several long slips there where you can pull over and detach your car or your toys or your boat or whatever you need. We dropped Zippy there at this area, but we dropped our spiders at our campsite. The park is set up into 7 loops. Most all of the sites do have a water view. Here's some footage of multiple loops so you can get an idea what the campsites look like. Our Shaefer Herd is $24 to $56 a night. If you have a Senior America the Beautiful Pass, you can get it for half price. It's on West Point Lake. It's open year-round, and you make your reservations online at recreation.gov up to 6 months in advance. Check-in times are not like most campgrounds. The check-in is at 4 o'clock and check-out is at 3 o'clock. Oh my gosh, look at this little thing. It's a one-man sleeper.
2 if you love each other.
You make your reservation online. If you have to cancel or change it, there is a $10 fee. If you check online and see that your campsite is not being occupied, many times they will let you in earlier. Campsites are up to 110 feet long, and there's plenty of space between each one. Here is the launch area for your boat. They have plenty of parking for your trailers, and they have a large courtesy dock. It's a man-made lake. It has 525 miles of shoreline. So there's lots of fishing, camping, and boating and other recreational activities on that lake. They have 117 sites with electricity and water hookups. None of them have sewer hookups. And you can get either 30 or 50, depending on the site you choose. They also have a dump station, a coin laundry facilities, hot showers, a boat ramp, and hiking trails. It extends 35 miles along the Chattahoochee River. They have a swimming area, day use area, hiking, fishing, camping, and boating, flush toilets, a playground, amphitheater, picnic tables. Most of them are waterfront sites, and they do have hosts on site for emergencies. You can stay at this park for up to 2 weeks. And nearby, they do have recreational facilities, including tennis courts, ball fields, basketball courts, fishing piers, hiking trails, picnic shelters, and areas for large groups to gather. The mobile coverage there, fairly good. We were in Loop E and Site 80. It was a double loop, so you could actually have friends or family join you with their camper too. You can see the park on the right-hand side of this map. Down in the middle you can see where it's the Army Corps of Engineers. They have their office there. To the left of that is the dam, and above that is a recreational area. The road where the Army Corps of Engineers at is a very pretty road to drive down. Also along this road in the blue is the day use area. It's very pretty in there, and you can go swimming. Right now for repair, so you can't drive across the road there, but they have this little area you can drive around, go fishing, park your car, enjoy the view. West Lake's quite large. This is just at the very end of it. Campground is straight ahead there. So this is a quick trip from the campground. It's a very pretty area. Pavilion up there as well. Closed now because of COVID. And we got a restaurant up there too. A little play area. Driving through Westlake on, what's this called, 10th Street, also known as Route 18. There's a little food store, Givorn's Food, and a Dollar General, and there's a Subway.
Barbecue restaurant on that side.
Oh, it's a barbecue restaurant across the street from it. But if you keep going, there is a Piggly Wiggly's. It is a total of 8 minutes from the campground to get to Piggly Wiggly. If you go just a couple more miles past Piggly Wiggly, on the right-hand side, you'll see the Zen House Chinese restaurant in a little shopping mall. It's very good there. In fact, we went twice, and it was only about $16 with tip. Dave's out here having fun with his little zapper. Bunch of gnats. To the right of your head, above your head, right there. Oh my God. Ants were a big problem at this campground too. Check out the video linked above. The swarm, man. Maybe you need to take a shower.
Could be a sign.
And it's a blowing out here. And you get the bad weather coming in, and people don't watch what the weather's going to do, and they put up tents and then have to give it up. If you'd like to see more information on our Shaefer herd and other places you can go to eat, check out the video that's linked above. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.